Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Temu you are not qualified for this coupon. So first thing first, make sure that you are using the latest version of your Temu app because at times when your application is not updated, certain features might not work. Head over to your Play Store and then search for Temu. If you see update, tap on update. If you see open, that means your application is already updated. Now all you have to do is open. Get logged into your specific Temu account where you are having that problem. Tap on Use section. Here you will see coupons and offers. Tap it. And while entering your promo code or your coupon code, make sure that the wording and the numbers are correct. Don't make mistake with 0 or O and vice versa. Make sure that you are typing it correctly. And also make sure while placing an order, you are fulfilling the minimum order criteria. At times when your order criteria is not fulfilled, you cannot use any type of promo code. So make sure that all this is done. Simply tap on apply and this shall work.